Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of cloud computing with AWS. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to launch your very first EC2 instance on AWS step by step and then connect it like a pro. For that, only these steps are needed. We'll follow these steps. First, you have to log into your EC2 console and search for EC2 here. We have to click on dashboard. Scroll down, you can click on launch instance. We have we have to specify the details of our instance here. For example, I am adding the name of the instances, my EC2. To scroll down, we have to select our Amazon machine image. The We will see a list of images. Basically, these are the operating systems. So I'm choosing Amazon Linux. That is auto selected. Scrolling down, then it provides various instance types like micro, nano, small, medium. I'll be using T2 micro itself, which is under free tier. I'll scroll down. There is a key pair option. This is needed for login purpose. So I'll create a new key pair here. I'll specify the key pair name as EC2 key pair. I'll select RSA and select .pem. This is for this will be used for connecting with Open SSH. If you want to use putty, then we have to select .ppk format. I'll select on create key pair. My key pair is downloaded and saved in download folder. We can see it here. I'll go back, scroll down. I'll not change anything. Keep it as it is. Here we can specify the number of instances that we want. But as of now, I'll let it be one. And I have to click on launch instance. It will take some time to launch. Now we got a message success. I'll move back to instance. I'll see my EC2 status running. Status check is initializing. Our EC2 instance is running and status check is passed. Now we can connect it. I have already selected my EC2 instance. I have to click on connect. There are multiple ways to connect to an EC2 instance, like through EC2 Instance Connect, Session Manager, SSH Client, and Serial Console. EC2 Instance Connect is an easiest way. I've already created a video on this. You can check. Today we will use SSH Client. This is the most commonly used method. The benefit of this is we can connect it through our terminal. We can upload files from our local system to an EC2 instance through this method only. So the way is to locate your key pair file. So my key pair file is already downloaded. I'll just open the terminal here and I have to write this SSH command. So we can directly copy this command and paste it here. And on click of enter, it will connect. For you, it might ask you about some authentication There you have to type yes. Now we have connected to our EC2 instance. I can write any commands here to see that I'm already connected to an EC2 instance. By clicking by entering exit, I have logged out to my EC2 instance. Please comment if you are having any doubt. I'll help you. Thank you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.